Welcome, my friends. I'm Jen Hilman. Thanks so much for joining me today for the third part of our short and sweet Yoga for Back Pain series. So if you haven't caught the first two videos, feel free to go back and enjoy those two flows. And as we jump in today, we are going to work to build strength in our spine, increase that spinal mobility, and help to reduce your chronic back pain. So go ahead and like this video because I know you're going to love it. And please leave your comments below. Let me know what areas of your back give you the most trouble so I can make some videos to help target those needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I've got lots of great videos to help improve your practice all around. So feel free to explore, browse the channel, and as you're ready, dive deeper into your practice. Now let's get started today in a tabletop position. So we'll begin warming up with a few rounds of cat and cow. So with your hands and knees to the earth, we'll inhale your breath, lift your head, your heart, and your tail. Drag your rib cage forward to lengthen the front of your tummy. Then we'll exhale and round your spine, scooping your tailbone under. Tuck your chin to your chest. Press into the earth to round your spine, giving you a deep stretch along your back. Then we'll reverse. Inhale your breath. Roll your shoulders down your back as you drag your heart forward and lift your tailbone. Exhale and scoop it in. Hug your belly in towards your spine so you use the strength of your core to help you. And we'll reverse, opening up your shape. Roll your shoulders down your back as you lift your heart high. Stretch your belly long. Then exhale and round your spine, squeezing in your core. Press into the earth to stretch your spine. Then we'll inhale and open it up. Now take these next few rounds of breath to just explore any movement in your spine. You can wag your tail side to side. Feel free to make any circles. You can roll your head around. You can roll your spine around in a circle. You can shift your weight front and back. So really just let this be a creative time for you to stretch your spine in any direction that feels good. There's no right or wrong here. It doesn't really matter what it looks like. The most important thing is what it feels like. So use this time to just feel good in your body, warm up your spine, and loosen things up. Then as you're ready, we'll start to make your way back to neutral. So reestablish your pose, balancing your weight in your hands and your knees. Now shift your weight into your left leg. We're going to extend the right leg back behind you. Make your leg really strong and powerful. So it's not just a wimpy leg back there. We really want to kick through your heel. Hug the muscles tight around the bone. As you inhale, lift your head, your heart, and your heel. So we stretch the front body. Then exhale and round your spine, squeezing it into center. Then we'll inhale, kick and lift. Extend your heel, extend your heart. Then exhale and round it in. Squeeze tight. Then again, inhale, stretch long. Open through your heart as you kick through your heel. Then last time here, we'll exhale and squeeze it into center. Nice deep squeeze here. Then extend your right leg behind you again. This time we're going to balance. Extend your left arm forward. So you really got to focus your energy here so you don't wobble, staying stable. Now bend your right knee. Open up the left arm and see if you can take a hold of the top of your right foot. Maintain your balance as you start to kick your foot into your hand stretching your heart and hip open. Getting a nice stretch here. Then let's gently release. Extend your heel, extend your hand, then gently float. Both come back down to the floor. Now we'll prepare for the second side. Shifting your weight over into the right leg. Extend your left heel behind you. Make that leg super straight and strong. Hug your belly up and in. Lift your head and your heel as you take a big breath in. Then exhale and round your spine. Squeeze everything into center and see if you can tap your knee to your forehead. And then inhale and stretch it long. Kick back through your leg, make it super strong. Then exhale and squeeze it into center. Round your spine. Then open it up again. Inhale and lift. And we'll exhale and round it in. Last time here, give it a good deep squeeze. Then we'll extend your left leg behind you again. Now we're working for that balance. Make the back leg really strong and sturdy. As you balance your weight, extending your right arm out in front of you. Focus. Stabilize. Then bend your left knee. Open up your right arm behind you. See if you can take a hold of the top of your foot. Kick into your hand, peeling your heart and your hip open. Get a nice good stretch here, working that balance. Then we'll gently release, extending your body long. Reach and release. Hand and knee come down to the earth. And we'll take a little child's pose moment to rest. Take a deep breath in. And take a deep breath out. Feel free to stay and enjoy this child's pose for as long as it feels good for your body. Take some deep breaths and let yourself slow down. When you feel ready, you can gently press yourself all the way up. Thank you so much for allowing me to be your guide. If you'd like to enjoy the extended version of this practice, please join me at the Jen Hilman community, where you can see this in a full-length flow, along with other amazing videos to help relieve your back pain, improve your strength, your flexibility, and so much more. Thanks for being a part of my YouTube family. Leave your comments below, and I look forward to seeing you on the mat again soon. Namaste.